Right, Derek. The last protesters have left the steps of the federal courthouse here along Wisconsin Avenue. But as you mentioned, this was round 2 of protests here today. As federal agents detained Judge Hannah Dugan inside the federal courthouse Friday, a small crowd started to gather. Lawmakers
and after this plays out, it'll be very clear that she was on the right side of it.
And activists concerned with what they believe her arrest symbolizes.
It's not about the judge that's in there right now who's just charged with 2 felonies. It's about striking fear in the judiciary across the entire country.
No justice, no peace. Let the judge be released.
Once discharged, Judge Dugan slipped out the back door with her attorney.
Judge, anything to say about this?
Now the crowd on the front steps demanding those charges be dropped.
Has a judge ever been arrested in the city of Milwaukee inside the courthouse before?
Not to my knowledge.
Milwaukee's mayor also weighing in Friday, worried the situation will make others fearful to go to the Milwaukee County Courthouse for services.
If she did in fact do these actions, are you okay with those actions?
Look, I think that Judge Dugan is not a flight risk. He's not somebody that's going to run away. Typically, when something like this happens, an indictment of a potential defendant is ordered. There'll be a court appearance. That didn't happen in this case. I think what happened here was just showboating.
So the issue is with how the arrest happened, not necessarily that there was an investigation.
The way that they went about this, in this ham-handed, haphazard way that this administration has been doing since day one, it's driving people away, or has the potential to drive people away from participating in court proceedings, which makes our community less safe.
Hannah's back live with us tonight. Hannah, this was a quick call to action for these protesters.
Yeah, they mobilized quickly, Derek. That first protest, those protesters arriving within 2 hours of Judge Dugan's arrest. And then this afternoon, that second one wrapping up just within the last half hour.
Hannah Hilliard live downtown outside the federal courthouse in Milwaukee.